Finding a rough diamond can be exciting, but knowing whether it's real or not is the real challenge. While professional gemological testing is always the most accurate method, there are a few simple techniques you can try at home to get a basic idea. These methods won't guarantee 100% accuracy, but they can help you identify whether your stone is worth further testing. 1. The fog test breath test. One of the quickest ways to check a rough diamond is by using your breath. How to do it: hold the stone close to your mouth. Breathe on it like you would on a mirror. What to look for: a real diamond disperses heat instantly, so the fog will disappear almost immediately. If the fog stays for a few seconds, it's likely not a diamond. Why it works: diamonds have high thermal conductivity, meaning they don't retain heat like glass or other stones. Hack 2. The scratch test diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth, so they can scratch most surfaces. How to do it: gently try to scratch a piece of glass or ceramic surface with the stone. What to look for: if it leaves a visible scratch, it could be a diamond. If it doesn't scratch or gets damaged itself, it's likely fake. Important warning: this test can damage both the surface and the stone, so use caution. Nard 3. The water test. This is a simple density test that can give useful clues. How to do it: fill a glass with water. Drop the stone into the glass. What to look for: a real diamond is dense and will sink quickly to the bottom. Fake stones or lighter materials may float or sink slowly. Why it works: diamonds have a higher density than most common fake stones. Final thoughts. These three methods are quick and easy ways to check rough diamonds at home, but they are not definitive. Some fake stones can pass one or even two of these tests. If your stone passes all three, it's a good sign, but the best next step is to have it examined by a professional or gemologist.